This stuff is absolutely soaked. Look at that. It's soaking wet. Fuck me, bro. So, the doors are leaking. On this one, it's like round here. I think, going by all this gunk. I haven't checked the other doors, but I know they're all leaking. This, whatever that stuff is on under the carpet, is drenched, especially around here. All of this soaking wet. It's all just falling apart. I ripped it. You can see there's all this junk as well. I broke the panel that was there. Didn't realise it was screwed into the actual car. Yanked it. Thought I disconnected it. But then when I looked there, I noticed it was broken. And I was like, oh, whatever. I don't give a fuck. That's got to come out because it's soaked. I've got to take this seat out. Pull all this plastic out. Take those plastics off. Take all the door cards off. Reset all the doors. Debating if I pull this out as well, because I don't like the carpet that's there. It's all grubby and shit. Fucking close you, bitch. Oh, there it is. I broke that. I thought it come off in 2 pieces, but it turns out it's meant to be 1. But who gives a flying fuck? Don't know how wet the carpet is down there, or at the front there, but I know all these doors are fucked. Might be able to see actually. You can see all of it dripping out. Yeah. It's all this build up of shit here. It's all damp there. It's fucking soaking wet there. That's fun. Also noticing it's damp up there. It looks like it's getting in here as well. Might have to check that out. Also, all these top sills are like fucked. This one's absolutely drenched. The other ones had time to dry out. Like, look at all this. So leaking through all of this. Somewhere around here, under this bit, it's leaking. Let's see if there's any water trapped. Nice. I'll remember this time that that's 1 piece. So take this out first. Don't be a dumbass. Did I break that? I might have broke that. Don't know where this comes from. I was taking apart the ledge or the bonnet thing, and it came from somewhere. There's a bit of plastic from the car, broken. Hunk of shit. There's a. Don't think that's actually screwed in anymore. Oh well. All fun. Like, what a bitch. I'm gonna just take the whole carpet out. All that. I'm gonna just call it membrane because I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna pull that membrane shit out. Try and dry it off. Try and dry the carpet out. See all these fucking doors. Got a huge ass dent along here. I didn't do that. That was in there when I got the car. flaking off of paint and shit. Need to fill that. Need to pull that dent there. All this speed scratches here. Also already there when I got it. Yeah, probably pull this out as well. Might as well empty the fucking boot. Let's just dump this up there. And the fucking alarm on this car is a bitch. You're sitting in it, and like 5 minutes later, it's like, oh, I want to lock, and it doesn't fucking shut up. Oh, it's clipping down there. Or you open up the fucking passenger door. 2 seconds later, it locks itself and screams at you. Yeah, that was growing mould, or mould was leaking from under here to the top of the carpet. I'll put a picture in. You can see sort of the residue. Well, that nice green gunk behind all that, which you can't see. Focus. This is broken when I got it. This plastic was kicked in, pulled it out. But now I won't go back. So it's fine. This stuff is pretty, you can see that there-ish. See that coloration? This all here, this black shit, all fucking wet. Like brittle and cracking over there, so it's probably wet. I can feel it wet where my thumb is. Pretty sure the other side's going to be trashed as well. Oh, got also the ECP light, the engine light, the emissions light. Yeah, it's all fun. I don't know if I'm going to get this out in one piece, so I'm just probably going to break it there, wherever I'm pointing. Break it along here like I did on this side. I just ripped it. Just do the same that side. Take that other side out there, and that side. Carpet I'm not going to cut up though, because I'm not going to be stupid. Yeah. Is that meant to be like that? I've never actually seen under here. I've seen detailing videos, but I don't actually think I actually paid attention. So, is that a patchwork, or is that meant to be there? Like where you buy a replacement part of the body, but just the section you want. There's also cracking along there. I don't know if that can do anything. Cracking along there. Don't know if that's doing anything. Don't know what that is. Yeah. It's dirty as a bitch in there. Probably got to clean those. Can you see that coloration? Get out of the way. It should be that colour. It's now that colour. Although when that's covered up with the black, it looks fine. But now seeing that, I'm probably gonna see if I can work out something to clean that with. The back seat, I need to probably take that in and clean that because there's like toothpaste or some shit on part of the seat I want to get off. Try to see on the camera if there's anything back there. Yeah, so this is my piece of shit Golf that has basically pissed itself and is incontinent or whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna go indoors and have a coffee. See ya. Love you. Bye. I'm half expecting the car to scream like that. Luckily it didn't. I'm gonna just take that seat out and take this plastic stuff out, those plastics, and take the whole carpet out and that stuff today, whilst I still got some sunlight. Dry it out indoors, give the car a good clean out in the morning. I'll show you what it looks like once I've taken the seat out and stuff. Second seat is out. It's a lot cleaner here than it is on that side. Doesn't mean it's not going to be soaking wet underneath, because that feels wet. That feels damp. We'll see the real damage. Let's take it off. Carpet's up. I had to cut here. Couldn't be asked to fucking work around that. I'm gonna wrap along there. See if I can dig it out. Got them all out now. I feel like these has got to be some sort of patch, because they don't look right. I've got the back to do as well, but that's this big problem out of the way. I'm going to leave those ones, I'm pretty sure there's no dampness on them. See how bad the car is in the morning. So I've come around the driver's side. This bit is wet. I can feel that it's wet going up here, which I suspect means I need to patch in either the, I think it might be where the boot latch is. There's a thing up there on the outside. Might have to patch that because that's like wet where it feels like it's trickled down. Can give it a nice thorough cleaning though, and seal all the doors tomorrow. It's basically a bare shell at the moment. Oh, for future reminders, in case I forget, that needs to be pushed back on. I discovered I could take it apart there, but whatever this is, it wouldn't let me get it out anyway, so I ended up just cutting. So yeah.